Hello, Lily. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hi there. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Look at the camera? Yeah. Yes. Do you want some kisses on your belly? You do. Do you want kisses on your belly? Do you like that? Say hello, everybody. I'm having a great time in New York, and I'm so cute. Tell them how you're getting cuter every day. Yes, you certainly are. You certainly are. Say hello to Daddy. Say hello, Granddad and Grammy. You see, I like all sorts of things, like pizza and chicken parm heroes and hamburgers and kisses on my belly. Oh, you're so precious. You really are tiny and precious, aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Give me a finger. Say, hello, everybody. Hello. Say hello. Say hello, Lily. Say, my name is Liliana. I can't wait to see you all. Tell them how much you love them. Yes, and tell them how much you love kisses on your belly. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye for now. Just one more smile. Come on. Give one more smile to the camera because you know you want to. Or do I have to give you more kisses?